What's going on YouTube? Mr. TA again, and I'm back with my brother Joel Oberton.
Yeah, Joel Oberton, a YouTuber from Kampala, Uganda.
Yes.
We are going to explore Kampala city. Yes. And we are going to mostly explore now this area.
Yes, we have Congolese
live. The paradise of Congolese here, where they live in harmony and peace with the Ugandans. They are not only here, like Congolese, there are many who are here.
Yeah.
And they also trade in businesses alongside Ugandans.
Yes.
Just that there are many, like the population here, if the Congolese are like 70%, then the Ugandans are 30%.
Yeah.
And they have restaurants, they have
oh, that's where people get kitenge from.
Yeah, if you want the real Congolese kitenge, find it here.
Find it here.
Explore this video.
So how do you call this area?
This area is called the Kupa Complex.
Kupa Complex.
Yes, called Kupa Complex.
Kupa Complex. It's a paradise where Congolese live in harmony with Ugandans. I like that. I like that. Yeah, that should be the title of the video.
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah,
so
here you find women from different culture. Yeah.
They're selling. So now they're selling products, clothes.
This one are used clothes.
Used clothes.
They are used clothes mostly from
Kampala.
They are used clothes mostly from abroad, like Western, like
from America.
From America, from UK.
From UK, yeah.
Korea, different parts of the world.
Yeah.
They are what?
They are imported here in Africa from those countries. Okay. And they are affordable for everyone.
Yeah, they are affordable.
Even I can see shoes, see people are selling accessories, phone accessories, saloons. Hey. What's up, bro?
Good.
Okay. Hey, hairdressing. This is so nice.
Yes. Can you be able to identify Congolese from Uganda?
For me?
Can you?
I can. Because they are our neighbors. I can. So many Congolese live here in Kampala.
As you can tell from this video or from this video. Even the food is one experience. A real food.
Is this plantain? Plantain. Oh.
You see that one?
Plantain. I actually like plantain. I like plantain so much. This is isombe.
Isombe.
That's isombe. That's isombe. We also do eat isombe. Isombe. In isombe. Do you know isombe?
I ate at some point.
Yeah.
But it wasn't real. Like, I mean, it wasn't.
You didn't like it?
It was cooked.
Okay.
I like it.
Okay, I like sombe. I will come back to buy sombe here. I like sombe so much. Yeah, that's true. I can like hear the Congolese Swahili here. Hey, isombe. This is now a part. You know isombe? It's leaves. Cassava leaves. That's cassava leaves. Hello, mom. Hello. I like it. I like the vibe. I like the vibe of. Hello. Hello, boss. Hello, bro. So
This is all area is Congolese as a going.
this area is all for Congolese.
Yes, Congolese.
Okay.
Papaya is for Congolese.
And making good business here.
Yeah, sure. That's why I told you guys are very friendly country.
Yeah.
Congolese here, there are other people from different countries. As you see, there are South Sudanese just there. Very, like, you can't. We're just friendly people, you know.
Yeah, yeah.
Family. Then by evening here, there is a market here.
There is a market here.
Yes.
So guys, at the evening, there is a market here. Evening market.
Even, you see when the leaves from there.
Yeah, okay.
It becomes busy. Here, like, out the outside, even there, very busy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So there are Congolese here. I can see them.
Very many. Bro.
That's Kingsway Plaza. Kingsway Plaza. So what's done there?
Just a shop where they sell clothes, food.
Okay. So somebody maybe from any African country who want to come here in Kampala and purchase product at the wholesale price, so that he can take them and resell in his own country.
Yes.
So where can he head to?
I think I pass through. Can get somewhere to pass through. Like here, there is downtown. The outside is very busy.
Yeah.
Very busy.
Very busy.
Wholesale prices and both retail and wholesale prices.
Yeah.
Downtown. And also, yes, actually, you realize most of the Congolese here, some of them just come here to transact business. And for transacting business, they go back.
Yeah, they go back.
They buy goods in wholesale.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, most of them are here.
You not only Congolese, South Sudanese, people from different places.
Okay. So where can we pass so that we can get to that downtown?
We're passing like this.
Okay.
So I'm just showing the area. It is.
So guys, we're still exploring the area. Seem to be very busy, but not as busy as it was on Monday.
No.
Monday it was very busy.
Yes, it was very busy, and also the time also. My sisters are Congolese restaurant.
Yeah, those are Congolese restaurants.
Yes.
Only Congolese, and then there's some Rwandese or
like it's owned by Congolese. But the Rwandese, Ugandans, other people, as long as you're familiar or you like their food, you can come.
Okay.
Get a point, eh?
We told me that this area is called
Copper Complex.
Copper's Complex.
Yes. Copper Complex.
Have you ever tried some Congolese dishes?
Eh?
Have you ever tried some Congolese dishes?
Yes, several times.
Several times?
Yes.
How was it?
It was delicious, bro. I like the fish, deep fried fish.
Deep fried fish.
Deep fried
fish. I think Congolese dishes resemble Nigerian dishes. They're somehow similar.
But quite different. Okay, maybe let me just try to do this. Especially
Fufu is ugali.
Yeah, kind of
ugali.
It's a bit different again.
Okay.
It's a bit different, bro. Yes.
So have you ever eaten fufu?
Yes, I tried it a few days ago. I tried fufu, bro.
Tried fufu, how was it?
The experience. Maybe because I wasn't familiar with it. It wasn't nice.
It wasn't.
Maybe the next time I go back to the night.
Let me tell you the truth. Every person, when he tries a dish, like any dish for his first time, especially when it's a dish from another country, he or she doesn't like it. Because I also tried some Italian dishes, and they were expensive. Yes. But I didn't even like it. I didn't like it.
Oh, wow.
But Ugandan dishes are the best. I think they're the best in East Africa.
Yeah, that's the best.
Yeah, that's true.
When in Kenya, we cooked for our Kenyan brothers.
Yeah.
We were like, bro, this is good. Very nice because we balance the sauce like maybe chicken.
Yeah,
we balance that stew.
Yeah.
We make sure that there's enough soup.
Enough
and
soup.
The taste is kept.
Kept.
Yeah, but then our Kenyan brothers, they cook maybe chicken or meat. They don't put soup.
They don't put soup. They don't put season. They don't season their chicken or their beef.
Yes.
I've actually seen that.